Yo, no way. Try.
Hey Greg, can you take out the trash for me, please?
Nah, wait, one second.
Hey Greg,
Yo,
do your homework.
Nah, go away, bro. Give me a minute, actually.
I didn't want to have to do this, but Greg's too addicted.
Bro, why would you do that? I'm in the middle of something. You know how important that is to me?